My name is Marwa Abbas. I'm the General Manager and Technology Leader for IBM in Egypt. What I see today, like the rest of the world, the generative AI is getting a lot of traction and lots of attention from organizations, from governments to leverage to create a business impact or an impact for the institution and be able to scale those uses of generative AI across the organizations and government. And this is, of course, going to create competitive advantage. It's going to grow the economy, and it's going to help to create, and the reskilling of new jobs is going to support also the introduction of new workforce roles across the organization or the government. Businesses can leverage their AI across multiple use cases, across multiple industries, across multiple incidents. The question is, what is the right platform to use to be able to scale multiple use cases across the organization? So, for example, in IBM, we do have the platform from IBM to support generative AI is Watson X, where it has three components. First, the component of the AI engine. The second is the data, where how the data is going to be organized, structured, semi-structured to support the leverage of the AI engine. And then most importantly, for enterprises and governments is the governance part. What is going to be the governance underlying the platform to ensure that there is explainability outcome from leveraging the AI in the use case. There is an ethics component. There is non-bias, and there is inclusion of every dimension from within the business, and most importantly, how it can be trusted. So everybody thinks that AI is going to replace jobs or is going to downsize. Actually not. It's by a study done by the World Economic Forum, 50% of the jobs just need to be reskilled. They need to be more efficient. They need to be, addressing the right needs while leveraging AI. Let's think of it on the client center or the customer care use case, for example. How many minutes do you wait to get a reply for the agent? While it's a simple question and it could be actually answered by AI. But at the same time, the agent needs to remain and will always remain, but to answer more complex and more, sophisticated questions and situations for the client care. So again, it's serving that the client doesn't need to wait long for the agent to answer them on simple questions. Client satisfaction will increase, business impact will be much higher, and also competitiveness for the business in the market. So this is just an example of how generative AI could be leveraged from a business standpoint.